Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show you how you can have your clay.com enrichment cells to run periodically automatically. The problem is sometimes we end up integrating an API within clay that has bad rate limits or low rate limits. So the minimum number of calls Clay can do via HTTP API enrichment is 300 calls per minute. So if you have an API that does not allow that kind of rate limit, it will keep erroring out. So the problem, you have to keep rerunning the rows until all the rows have properly been enriched. The thing is this breaks your workflow because one of your enrichment column has is continuously erroring out. So to avoid this problem, I am going to show you how you can set up a scheduler or cron job to automatically rerun the rows so that you don't have to keep checking your table again and again and keep rerunning the rows. So you can either use make.com, n10.com, Zapier, whatever works best for you. So, for example, let's say if you see that what you need to do is you need to create a view and you need to set that view to API with bad rate limits, like any API, any enrichment column that you want to rerun. So in this case, if you see that I have this column and this I renamed it to API with bad rate limits just for your understanding. So I set a filter to uh, run the rows where this has an error. So I have a view specifically for this purpose. Wherever these rows are errored out, so I have a view for this. So what you need to do is you need to go to N10, make whatever your favorite tool is, and you need to hit this endpoint basically. This is a patch request, and it takes in your table ID and as an input. And here, if you see that you have this table ID right at the top of your table, then um, if you see it accept your cookies as a header and um, since I already showed you how you can get your clay cookies. I'm not going to share it again, but you can check my previous video to check where to get these cookies from. And then you have to pass this JSON body at this accept field IDs and view ID. So view ID is something you can, once you switch to your own view, you can get this view ID right from here. And then it accepts field IDs. So you can get field IDs by opening your network tab and let's say you say just okay, basically you can run one cell and you can copy the field ID. You see, this is the field that just ran. So you copy this field ID from here and paste it right here. So now you should be good. And now um, you can set up a cron job or scheduler to run this column however you want to. You can run it every minute, you can run it every hour, you can run it every day, you can run it every week, you whatever your rate limit wants you to do. So I'm gonna, if you see that, I'm gonna refresh my page, and if you see, we have around 1602 rows that have errors. So if I go here and its table is not running, if I go and run this thing, you see that it started running automatically. So it will keep rerunning it again and again until it finishes. Okay, just ensure that you have a view for this one to avoid running the rows that have been already enriched. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good one. Bye bye.